Hi everyone. I'll be reporting the touch point report one for group 9. First of all, let me introduce our amazing team first. Uh, First is Sani. Her hobbies are drawing, playing video games, and watching anime. She has a bachelor's in Asians and International Studies from City of Hong Kong, and she worked as project officer for education, University of Hong Kong. Her major role in this was supporting several large scale school development programs for kindergarten, high school, and university. Now jumping on to uh, the introduction for Nikhil. His hobbies are cooking and reading. His bachelor's is in information technology. He worked before as online marketing and executive, and he lives in downtown. Now coming on to my introduction, my hobbies are basketball, badminton. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I used to work before as an transport operation manager, and currently I'm working as a department manager for Decathlon Canada. And now coming on to Jaspreet Singh's introduction, he also is a badminton player, and he likes watching web series, and he also is a mechanical engineer, and he lives in Scarborough. Last but not the least, introduction for Ayush. He loves cricket and traveling. He's a bachelor in computer science, and he lives in North York. So after introducing ourselves, we understood that we have a very diverse team, and everyone has a different experience. Everyone has a different background. So we intensively discussed what kind of topics that we want to focus on, so that we can actually contribute to our best of abilities in the project. So we first came up with a team contract. In that, we decided how will be our code of contact, how would be our participation, how will we communicate with each other, and if there are issues, how will we solve it. Then even we discussed about meeting guidelines, and then we jumped into what kind of topics we want to discuss, or what kind of uh, topics we want to focus on for this project. And after a first meeting on 16th May, we narrowed down our topics to all these five topics here. The first topic was Centennial College Orientation Day. Second was Send Buddies project. Third was Centennial College New Student Camping Day, and fourth was staff development project for Dive Test Ontario, and fifth was improving queuing system of Drive Test Drive Test Center Ontario. After having a discussion on our first meeting, we narrowed down our final topic as staff development project for Dive Test Ontario, because we understood that uh, looking all of our background and abilities, we understood that this might be the best topic for us to tackle, and we can all contribute the best for this topic. Uh, After that, we decided to tackle this project, and we came up with the problem statement for this topic. And the major thing was, according to our Google review research that we did, the rating for Drive Test Ontario has been decreasing drastically, and currently it is 2.79 out of 5. And there are many negative reviews regarding customer satisfaction, delays, and no proper communication and stuff like that. Also, we even did an internal in a recent internal survey. 70% of the employees indicated that they feel inadequately trained, while 80% voiced concern about insufficient career development opportunities. Furthermore, 60% of employees described the current feedback mechanism as ineffective, and a staggering 85% expressed dissatisfaction with the absence of a systematic performance management system. These primary issues have resulted in inefficient workflows and have aggravated by a lack of technology implementation and poor communication and collaboration, with 75% of staff stating that these significant barriers are hindering their day-to-day performance. So we decided that we have to tackle all these topics first, and we understood that uh, our focus has to be on four major topics, and we will tackle all these issues with these four topics. So first was enhancing staff training, aiming to increase staff confidence in their skills by 50% within the first year. Providing structured career development opportunities with a target of reducing dissatisfaction about career advancement by 40%. Third point, implementing an effective performance management framework aimed to increasing the percentage of employees satisfied with feedback process from 40% to 70%. And last but not the least, improving feedback processes. In essence, we understood that these are the current challenges we'll focus on first, so that we can improve uh, the overall rating for Drive Test Ontario. So this was the first report. Thank you, everyone.